What the? Okay, wait, it reconnected. Okay. Alright. Sorry about that. I forgot to plug in my computer and it got really low this time and shut off right away. I'm stupid. Okay, so we gotta figure out where this compiled to. bin/win32. Here we go. So hello VR OpenGL. So I think I am gonna need to distribute all of these libraries with it. Oh my god. That's fucking crazy. Okay. So wait, platforms. I'm gonna test this. I'm gonna try just copying this over first and just running that. Alright. Yeah, I'm just putting the application over onto my other PC. Okay, here we go. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to try it. With no libraries. Also, it bugs the hell out of me how I built it for 64-bit and it compiled it to Win32. 32-bit, that's Alright. Let's try to do this. So, I won't really be able to talk while I'm doing this. Ooh. Oh, the lighting is going to be off. So it's either not going to show me, or or it's going to show what's on the screen. Alright. Okay, well. Alright, so you can't really see, at least right now. Let me try opening this up. So if this works, this should open up Steam VR. Okay, yeah, I do need the libraries. Alright. Alright, so I gotta copy those over. Hello, SS Uni. Alright, so then we need SDL2, GL U32. I'm guessing we'll need GLUT as well, and OpenVR. Copy those over. Alright, so this should work now. It's doing something. It's unable to init VR runtime. Shared IPC Connect failed after multiple attempts. Huh. Okay. Interface not found. Okay. I must have messed up something. Alright, let's go back to here and let's search this up. What could interface not found be? I'm guessing it's because I forgot to copy all of the files again, but I'm not sure. So what was this exact error again? Oh yeah, I'll try running as administrator as well. I'm unable to init VR runtime. VR init failed. Face not found. Need to update Steam VR. Oh, is my Steam VR version out of date? Oh. Do they have anything about this in the documentation? HMD error for possible error codes. The specific interface function requested by VRInit or VR get generic interface could not be found. Is the SDK being used newer than the installed runtime? Okay, yeah, alright, I do. I need to install. Alright, God. Oh man, are you kidding me? Ooh. Do I want to use an older version of Steam VR? Wait, Steam VR 1.4.18. Oh my god, I'm on an old version, aren't I? Okay. Let's check. Let's check out how far back 1.4 was. .418, May 24th. That's not bad. I might just download this and just use this. So the benefit, I'm not going to be doing anything that is like advanced. Like, so that's what I'm saying. I don't think I need the latest. Shit, I may as well use the latest library though and just update it. Yeah. Alright. Hold on while I update this. Okay, this is serious shit. So I haven't been updating because I've wanted to keep Beat Saber with mods. And as soon as I start Steam in online mode, it's going to start updating and start breaking the mods. How do I do this and keep my Beat Saber mods? Oh no. Alright, I've got a different plan. I go on my other Steam account online and try and update Steam VR from there. Let's do this. Does it work? Steam VR, update queued, updating. Let's go. Downloaded 100 megabytes out of 100 megabytes. It's just installing now. Hey, Path of Exile is set to update next. When does the next Path of Exile leak come out? Wait, what the fuck? Did it update? Steam VR. How do I tell? Is there a way I can tell what Steam VR version it is without launching it? I don't think there is. Okay. Well, let's try this again. This is a scuffed setup, but it works. Alright, I'm just gonna get in my headset to make sure it's still up. Alright, this is it. Is it gonna work? Oh shit! Now playing Holo VR. Oh, let's go. Wait, am I missing something? It's a black screen. See, this is why I was asking if it told me what it actually did. It's supposed to be rendering here, I'm pretty sure. The question is, why is it not rendering? So this is the Steam VR home. Maybe it's because the tracking is was off. Yeah, so the tracking is off on the headset right now, which makes me think that is what's causing it. So I'm gonna fix that. Oh yeah, and you can't see what this is. Here we go. All right. So I need to get this to reinitialize the motion tracking. I don't know how to do that. I actually think I might just need to plug and unplug the headset. Yeah, VR has so many issues right now. Oh, there we go. It's actually tracking really good. Okay. So I'm fairly certain that the issue was that it didn't have tracking when it did the test. So now let's try it with tracking. No, it is just a black screen. What the hell is this supposed to do? Oh my god. So does this, no. They wouldn't put out a Hello VR that didn't work. Why? What is happening right here? Why is this black? I feel like something's wrong here. Let me look up. All right. OpenVR, Hello VR, black screen. Let's look again how this works. Oh my god. I'm stupid. It outputs stuff to the console and it requires models. Holy shit. So this is probably what it was. Let me try this again, launching it from the command line. If I launch it from the command line, does it give me errors? No, it doesn't. What? I feel like I must be missing something here. I think, like, maybe I don't have the render models. The fact that the application is just running. Okay, yeah, so let me check what directory the render models are. How did Valve release all of this without giving any documentation? Why did they not put it at the top of this sample? This sample does this. It requires these models, these 3D models. How is there no documentation on this stuff? Like, Steam VR has been out for 4 years now. Holy shit. So where are these modeled paths? Here at find or load render model. Okay, so this is called whenever it loads them. So smodel.cstring. So what is the actual model name? Holy shit. How is this badly documented for like an official Steam VR sample? Oh my god. Let me guess, I'm gonna look shared. No. Third party. There has to be something here. Or there has to be some like 3D model or something that's used. Oh my god. Find a load. Surrender model name. Get tracked device string. So it loads the render model. From what models is it even loading? Holy shit. Does it not? Oh my god, this is such a fucking bad API. I understand why no one makes VR games now outside of VR and Unreal Engine games. It's because there's no fucking documentation on doing it. Oh my god. Oh my god, right here. So look at this shit. Look at this. Oh my god, these fucking developers that made this library didn't even test this shit. So it builds, when you build the project, it builds into this binary Win32 folder, right? So it has all your libraries here. So you go, oh yeah, everything's already set. It's got all my libraries. That's what I had. That's before when I had the DLL missing. I just copied these DLLs over. So you think everything's here, right? They put the 3D models in the release folder that the exe isn't even built into. What? Oh my god, I do not... Like, what? What were they actually thinking when they did this? They weren't thinking. Okay, so let me try copying over these 3D models now. Okay, let's see how this works.
Okay, yes. We are bored. We're all bored now. But has it ever occurred to you, Wally, that the process that creates this boredom that we see in the world now may very well be a self-
Nope, still a black screen. And nothing outputted to the console. What the fuck is this library? What is this library? Oh my god. I feel like it should be outputting stuff to console. I don't know why it's not. Oh, the worst part is when I'm looking this stuff up, there's like no information on it. OpenVR. Hello VR example, black screen. What is dprintf? Outputs a set of optional arguments to debugging output. Using a printf.
See, I think it's quite possible that the 1960s
Wait.
represented the last burst of the human being before it was
GD
extinguished.
printf.
And that this is the beginning of the rest of the future now, that from now on there'll simply be all these robots walking around, feeling nothing, thinking nothing.
Why do they have so many options for an example? For an example app? Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. So wait. Should I have verbose on? It doesn't seem like anything actually checks if it's verbose. Oh my god, why is it not outputting anything to the console? Is what I have to ask. Like, what is it doing? Maybe I have to start it with a console. I think I've actually had this issue before. Windows 10, no console output. OpenVR, HoloVR, no console output. I cannot believe it's this hard just to get the example project running. My god, this is ridiculous. There's no console output or anything. What the fuck is this? Actually, like, so as far as I can tell, it's going in to run the main loop. And it's just not doing anything. Like, what? So, why the fuck did they actually add? I think this isn't finished, because look at this verbose option. So they've got this verbose option in the class, and then it's never used. Like, oh my god. So the real question is, why isn't this printing anything to the console? So printf is on. There's no printf. Oh man, how, like, the other thing about this is I would feel a lot more confident about what I'm doing if they actually had documentation. OpenVR badly documented. OpenVR samples badly documented. There, like, did someone... There has to have been someone else that has seen how bad these samples are. Or, like, I wonder how many developers actually do this, because so many people are just using Unity and Unreal Engine now. I might just not do VR. Or not implement VR. Like, if it's really that difficult, and it's something that no one is really using right now. Alright, let me try adding a bunch of printfs to this. Oh my god, though. The fact, though, that this Hello VR example program is nearly 2K lines of code. That's just fucking ridiculous. They didn't think, like, oh man, maybe 2K lines of code would be too much for, like, the first fucking sample, your first introduction to OpenVR, you've got 2K lines of code that is badly documented and doesn't even have a fucking README or anything saying what it's actually doing. And Valve expects you to work with this shit? Where's the constructor for this? Calling constructor. Alright, if this doesn't output to the console, we've got fucking issues going on. I feel like I should probably copy over. I'm just to be safe, I'm just gonna copy over the rest of these files. Alright. The stupid thing about my brain is I see this shitty documentation as I just take it as a challenge to implement it more. Okay. Nope, no output to console. Oh, wow. This is like, I am, like, my respect and, like, impression of Valve is just, like, just fucking going down. Like, holy shit, this is my first time using, like, a Valve API or something, but oh my god. Who the fuck releases a library that doesn't have functioning printf? The fuck is this? Okay. So I think it might not have a functioning console, so I think what I have to do, where does it initialize? I think I have to do allo, wait, int main. Is this supposed to be a console application? What the hell is going on here? I just realized this is using int main and not win main. Windows. Console. Okay. Holy shit. It's outputting. It's outputting to the console. Oh shit. Okay, there we go. That fixed it. So, absolute fucking morons at Valve didn't think to tell you that, hey, maybe you should put the app in console mode so that it actually fucking outputs to console. It still is not rendering a damn thing. So all it output to the console is pose count 0, pose count 1H, pose count 2HC, pose count 3HCC. Oh my god. So I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with that. Let's look at where it outputs. Pose. Let me just try looking this up again. Hello VR OpenGL doesn't work. Launches the app but never displays. That sounds like the issue I'm having. Okay, so it seems like there's fuck tons of issues with the API, given by the giant numbers of unfixed issues on their GitHub. Oh god, how do I even begin to debug this 2K line? Okay, so just to like sum this up, when I go to work with an API like OpenVR, I expect documentation and instructions on how to use their code. I don't expect them to throw 2K lines of sample code at me that's poorly documented and expect me to go through this shit and figure out how it all works. That's not what I expect when I download a fucking library. Holy shit. So that, like, the other crazy thing, I haven't even figured out where it's printing out this pose data. Pose count. Here we go, actually. Pose count, controllers. Okay, so it's actually doing this each frame. Spew out controller and pose count whenever they change. MPHMD. Unable to init. Okay, wait, I need to check if it's even getting a headset. It is getting a headset, right? Oh my god, this file, going through these 2K lines in this file is just fucking brutal. Having to, like, reverse engineer this and figure out what each of these functions does is just like, oh my god. No input available. I want to do the render frame or wherever so that I can hook and check when it's rendering the eyes. Render stereo targets. Render scene. So maybe it needs controllers? I don't know. Maybe literally all it does is show controllers. What are the cubes? What is this display cubes it's talking about? So this is on by default. Press C to toggle it. Process SteamVR action states. Process SteamVR events. Show cubes. Okay. Let's try this with controllers and everything on now. I'm just gonna test it without showing it, just to see if it even works. Yep, it's just a black screen. Just a black screen, and for some reason the show cubes here never enables. So I don't know if that is what's happening here that this never enables. Show cubes equals not show cubes. Output 1 if true. I don't even know what this sample is doing. Are these samples broken? OpenVR samples broken. Oh my god. Let's see if this is doing it. Rendering stereo. So we're gonna draw green in each eye. To see if this is even rendering. There is too many fucking lines of code in this file. How the hell did Valve think this was a good example? Like, how is this giant fucking file of 2K lines of code a good getting started hello world for VR? How the fuck is 2K lines of code the equivalent of hello world? Oh my god. Valve has fucking idiots programming their APIs. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna color the background green. We're gonna see if that actually works. If I don't get this Hello VR sample project working, I'm probably never going to add VR to my engine. Let's be real here. If you can't get the Hello VR example project working, it's that's like... Wait. What in the fuck is going on here? Okay, what the fuck? I changed it to render the background as green, and there it is. So the issue was the example scene it was rendering was all fucking black. Their example scene was all black with a black background. Valve is fucking morons. Valve are fucking morons, I swear to God. Holy shit, I'm not using an... Like, okay, I need to just not use any of their example projects. I just got fucking trolled. What the fuck? So they have an example project that's completely non-functioning. It gives no errors in the console or anything. And it just shows a black screen. When it's actually rendering a bunch of cubes that you can't see because they're all black. Oh God. That is some stupid shit. Okay. That's it for me today. That was like, you know what? There's actually one little thing I want to do with the caption program I made. Holy shit. I know why VR hasn't caught on yet. It's because the APIs for them are complete shit. Oh my God. It's called OpenVR and it's not even open source. Like, that right away triggered me. Alright. I'm done with this VR programming. This is, at least for now, I'm gonna disregard this sample. I'm gonna probably take little bits of it and try and reuse that for my engine, but like the fact that this sample renders a bunch of cubes and they're black and then also has a black background, it just says to me that the person who wrote this sample has no fucking clue what they were programming. So like, I just can't trust anything else in this sample or any of the other samples because it's probably just as dumb. So there's this caption window program I was working on in .NET that I have some stuff I want to fix up. So I'll do that for the rest of the stream. Oh man, that triggered the fuck out of me. I gotta be honest. I was looking at the OpenVR API and I was like, oh, that looks super simple. You just call VR in it. I feel like most of my difficulty there didn't even come from the OpenVR API itself. It came from the sample code not functioning. Because all the VR in it and the actual API code worked fine. The issue came from the sample that didn't even fucking work. Oh man. That says a lot though about the quality that Valve has right now, that they're basically the key thing that Valve is focusing on is VR, and their VR API has fucking bugged out samples. So the thing that they're focusing most on has bugs and giant issues. Poor Valve. Alright. So this caption window program, it's designed to work with OBS here to generate captions while you speak. I'll run it right here to show. So the thing I want to add is, I figured out there's a speech hypothesized function that I can use to get a quicker response. It'll be like, it'll change up, but it'll be a quicker response. So you'll see here, this black window, it should start reading my text here. Yeah, and it displays it. So then you can capture this with OBS window capture, and it will, yeah, it will display this. Let's see right here, so you can get captions. So there's a few things I want to add. First of all, the text never disappears right now. It'll just sit there forever. I want to add a timeout to that, so the text will actually disappear over time, if you want it to. Then I'm also going to add, like I said, this, or what I'm going to do first, I actually think, is the speech hypothesized. I don't know. Actually, I'll do the timeout first, because that's just going to be a quick timer. So, you're going to need an option for that. Message time, -1 is going to mean forever. Alright, then I'm going to need to, if mtime does not equal or bigger than 0, I'm going to need to create a timer. Speech delete, or actually speech timeout. Oh man, I don't know what this event handler is supposed to be. Windows Forms timer tick. Oh yeah, I forgot to turn something off. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it's just event args. Divol equals M time, and then start it. Okay. So then what we're going to do here is we're going to dequeue text if the count does not equal 0. Cannot convert event handler. Can I just add? Oh no, I don't need to do that apparently. Just like that. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to try the speech hypothesized. Alright, so now what I need to do is I need a special string for this speech hypothesized. So then it's going to display this. Update display text. It's going to add the hypothesized text to this display text. Plus equals hypothesized text. And I guess I'll set it to nothing right here. Event.result.text. Okay. Let's try this. Testing 1, 2, 3. Doesn't seem to be working any different. Okay, let me... Oh yeah, because I'm not updating display text right here. That might be it. So the speech hypothesized should make it quicker and a lot more responsive. Testing 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that. Look at how quick it is now. Oh my god, that's awesome. Alright, sweet. That is exactly what I wanted. Okay, so now let's see. Now let's try adding that. Let's try adding that timeout. So time equals 2000. We'll just make them last for 2000 milliseconds. Alright, so this message should go away after 2000 milliseconds. Seems to be lasting a bit longer. Oh, I don't think it's updating the... Yeah, it's not updating. So that's the issue. It's deleting it, but it's not updating it. Hell yeah, there we go. Alright. Perfect. Yep, now it deletes it right afterwards. So then if I increase it to like 5 seconds, that should be a lot better. Alright, wicked. Okay, I'm very happy with that. That was... Alright, that was a quicker stream than I kind of expected, but man, I am disappointed in that OpenVR API. Gotta love OBS selecting the wrong window as well. Anyways, now I'm pretty sure I have the basics down. You just render to a frame buffer for each eye, and then you submit that to OpenVR. It actually should be pretty easy. So tomorrow I'm going to look at doing actual ray tracing in an OpenVR. Thanks to anyone who watched the stream today. If you're interested in caption window, I'm going to be pushing this update out onto the website. So, yeah. Hope everyone has a good day. I'll see you all around.